I received these stage effects in summer, and as you can tell by my Christmas apparel and my Christmas lights, the year is almost over, and I should probably just publish this review sharing the good and the bad before the year is over. So today we're going to take a look at UKing's ZQ16050 Cold Spark Machine. Hey everybody, how's it going? Daryl here, welcome to the channel. So a brand named UKing reached out to me and they gave me a very nice proposition. They said, go to our website and you can choose any lighting fixture you want and we will send it to you to review. So I love invitations like that, like as the proverbial kid in a candy store, but I've reviewed so many moving headlights, washes, and light bars, but this light did catch my eye. Kind of that retro style light. I've had my eye on this for a few years now, but I haven't purchased it for myself just because it doesn't really fit my new paradigm of a battery powered fixture with built-in wireless DMX. It doesn't have that efficient workflow, but they are kind of cool and I would love to demo it and check it out. Unfortunately, they said this one was out of stock, so I countered with this wash. Again, probably not the most practical for what I do for private events and weddings, but still a cool light, especially for like if you're put on a stage. Again, this one was out of stock, and I just thought to myself, my cold sparklers are about 5 years old. Mine are black. I would love to have some in white, and UKing offers cold sparklers. They come in white, and it would be something I could actually use and benefit from. So I asked for a set of these. So they sent them to me right away, really quick shipping. Very good process dealing with them directly. And this is the UKing ZQ16050 Cold Spark Machine. And people have been always asking me like a recommendation on a cold spark machine, and I have some that I just bought off a random supplier on Alibaba. They're no longer there. So I've been wanting another cold spark machine so that I can recommend it to people. And right off the bat, I could tell that this cold spark machine was a way better interface. The controls and the buttons and the screen were just miles better than what I was using before, so I was very excited for that. And the price is really good. UKing-online.com's direct website, you can get each machine for only $161.50, and they have warehouses all over the world: Australia, Europe, and the US of A. So I guess they're a little bit more if they come from the US. So I did ask for the white machines. They did come in black. It's not a big deal. I guess they'll just match my other ones. And something noticeably absent on the website is the option to get the powder or a case for these. So I just kind of made the bad assumption that all these cold sparkler machines could just use all the same powder and use the same case. But that was not the case. These didn't fit into my other cold spark machine hard case. Yeah, I was excited to try these things out. And so here's an unboxing, and I'll go over the menu right here. So when you buy yourself one of these, you get a manual, DMX cable, a remote with battery, a PowerCon cable, and of course the cold sparkler. Here's a closer look at that cold sparkler. On this front side, there's not much going on, but on each side there's a fan, a handle that goes inside, so you just grip it on like that. The other side, you have a warning as well as a fan in the handle. On this back side here, yet another fan. There's a rubber thing, a 4-button LCD panel, as well as 4 different LEDs to indicate whether it's ready, like the preheating, a heat button, a fault button, and a DMX button. There's an on and off switch, as well as power in and out with PowerCon and DMX in and out. On the bottom here, you have 4 rubber feet, as well as some vents. Then on the top here, I actually really like this. It's clearly labeled. There's a spray nozzle, as well as a powder inlet. It's this rubber thing. You can see that. So simply, it's easy to just like put your nails, your finger underneath it, and then the powder just goes into there, which we'll do in a second. So I didn't get these from UKing. I already had these. So medium doesn't go as high as the large particles, but I think sometimes you don't want it too high for some indoor events. So let's pour some in. All right, it is full. Let's put on the cap. I took a full bag, so I have another one for the next one. Okay, let's put some powder in this one. Okay, it's full. Put the cap back on, and let's try these first with the remote and then DMX. So before we get into DMX, I'm going to use the remote. You can use one remote to connect to multiple machines, and it's pretty simple. There's heat on, heat off, 4 heights, and a stop, and clearing. So when you're done using these at the end of the night, you do need to clear the excess powder. That helps these machines last longer and prevent any buildup, which could be a fire hazard. All right, so these are plugged in. I turn them on, and I have to press the heat on button. You have to press the heat on button, and when you do, you'll see that this yellow ready button is blinking and this blue heat button is on. When it's done heating, it'll say ready and this yellow LED will be on. Something I want to do too is I can change the DMX address. So Cold Sparklers is part of the SOUNDSWITCH and WolfMix shortcut. So I have my 3-channel on 495. So I should work with various models. Okay, here we go. Something cool is that once you save that DMX address, you go back to the home screen, it tells you right there, so there's no guessing. Okay, here we go. Let's do height 1. And it just went off by itself because you don't want them running too long. So he does leave a little bit of residue, so be wary of that. Not bad for the first time. Let's try height 4. Let's see what that does. You know, I wonder if this is the right powder for this. If you want to stop, just press stop. So I have these wireless battery powered DMX dongles back here plugged into the DMX in. I have the WolfMix shortcut right here. And so I have a button for the Cold Sparklers. And I'm transmitting that signal with this wireless DMX transmitter from Vangoa, but it's like the same as the Donner dongles. So here we go. All right, they're turning on, but nothing's coming out. We're done, press clearing, and I clear out all the excess powder. And it just didn't output very well. And so I contacted UKing, and I was like, why are these Cold Sparklers not working? Am I using the wrong powder? Is there a different powder that you recommend? And they suggested that I just increase the heat, because this has a temperature range, and you can choose like how hot it gets to ignite this powder. So I did it at the max, and I did notice an improvement, but still but it didn't work as well as I thought it should. So while I want to love these machines, because these are definitely better designed than what I'm using currently, and a lot easier to use, especially if you want to just use the remote or DMX, it's just not working. So it's probably a user error. I probably just need to find the right granules, but UKing doesn't offer that. They don't offer like a case. So I think it's important to find a supplier that offers you like the full ecosystem. And UKing just does not have that, unfortunately. But you can go to their website and they have a lot of other styles of lights. What's interesting is that my video of their laser that is a really popular purchase still on Amazon is not on their website. So go figure. I'm not entirely sure why that is the case, but yeah, I'll leave a link to UKing Online's website down below, where you can check out their catalog, where they have all sorts of lights for really appealing prices. And to be fair, like lights like moving headlights and washes don't require like combustible granules, so you're probably not going to have the same issue with one of their other lights as I did. So yeah, that's it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Please smash like and subscribe, and have a happy holidays and a happy new year. Goodbye.